Samsung has finally done it. After years of leaks, patents, rumors, and endless waiting, the world's first true tri-folding smartphone is real. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold, a device that folds twice, opens into a massive 10-inch display, brings desktop-level DeX directly on the phone, and packs the biggest battery Samsung has ever put in a foldable. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know: price, specs, durability, release dates, all of it. Samsung unveiled the Galaxy Z TriFold officially, marking its first major expansion of the foldable lineup in years with a brand new form factor. The device uses an inward folding design, with two sides folding on top of each other to protect the main screen. Samsung even added on-screen alerts and vibrations to tell users if they're folding it incorrectly. Fully unfolded twice, the TriFold transforms into a 10-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X QXGA+ display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and 1600 nits peak brightness. But the real magic is productivity. That 10-inch display gives you the equivalent of three 6.5-inch smartphones side by side. You can run 3 apps simultaneously, resize them, and multitask like never before. The Galaxy Z TriFold is also the first ever phone to support standalone Samsung DeX. No monitor needed. Thanks to Android 16 and One UI 8.0, the new DeX supports up to 4 virtual desktops, each running 5 apps simultaneously, resizable widgets, pinned apps, window resizing, display rotation, custom on-screen keyboard layouts. Inside, you get a customized Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, 16GB of RAM, and 512GB or 1TB of storage. Samsung equipped the TriFold with a triple camera setup: 200MP wide, 12MP ultra-wide with autofocus, 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom. Both the cover and inner displays have 10MP selfie cameras and Samsung's full suite of Galaxy AI features. Photo Assist, Generative Edit, Live Translate are available from day one. Durability was one of the biggest challenges. Samsung used some of its most advanced materials ever: advanced armor aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 on the cover display, titanium hinge housing, a ceramic glass fiber-reinforced polymer back panel, not normal plastic, a strengthened foldable panel with a reinforced overcoat on a shock-absorbing layer. Despite the dual-hinge design, the phone still earns an IP48 water resistance rating. Samsung packs the TriFold with the biggest battery ever in a Samsung foldable, a 4,600 mAh 3-cell battery, 1 cell in each panel. And for the first time in a Samsung foldable, it supports 45-watt fast charging. Samsung says the TriFold can easily last a full day even with heavy multitasking. When unfolded, the TriFold measures 15.9 by 214.1 by 3.9 millimeters and weighs 309 grams. But the thickness is unique. Each of the 3 sides has different measurements: left side 3.9 millimeters, middle, cover screen 4.2 millimeters, right side 4 millimeters. Because of a minimal gap between panels, folded thickness reaches 13.9 millimeters. Interestingly, the camera housing is thicker than the phone when unfolded. Samsung will release the Galaxy Z TriFold first in South Korea on December 12th, priced at KRW $3,500 and $9,400, which is about $2,500. Before the end of the month, it comes to China, Taiwan, Singapore, and the UAE. The USA release is scheduled for Q1 2026. Every buyer gets a free case, a 45-watt charger, a one-time 50% discounted screen replacement, and 6 months of Google AI Pro worth $120. The Galaxy Z TriFold isn't just another foldable. It's an entirely new category: massive screen, powerful DeX, next-level materials, and a price lower than rumored. Samsung is officially unfolding the future twice. Tell me, would you spend $2,500 on this? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos like this. Till then, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.